Hey guys, Phil here with another unboxing. This kit's also from Metro Hobbies here in Melbourne, Australia. Leave a link down below for their website. This time around we've got the Hguc Universal Sentry Geara Zulu piloted by Angelo Sauper. This is a 2010 release. As usual with Bandai, nice illustration on the front cover. Now on this side we've got the pictures of the mobile suit, front pose, repose, some mention of the anime. And this side we've got the best bust illustration with box number 112. And on this side we've got the different action poses. As you can see, the front got the weapons, another pose. This does retail for 2200 yen back in Japan. And this side's the same as the other side of the bust illustration with the box number. Alright, here we got bag one. Just got a couple of runners, got the multicolour runner and their decals. Now these decals, they are in sticker form. That's pretty standard for an Hg. We got bag two, a total of 2 runners plus the polycaps. Bag 3 consists of 2 runners. And bag 4 as well as 2 runners. Alright, here we've got their decals. As you can see, like I mentioned, they're just in sticker form. Bit plain, sometimes that's a good thing. This runner here, we've got all the polycaps. Multicolour runner A, looks like some of the fading, bit of the bust. Nice goldy brown colour parts here. Runner B, looks like some of the skirting. That I have to admit, quite a nice orange, not orange, a purple colour. Got runner C. Got the 2 helmets here, so you could choose which one you want. One of them like the normal with the horn. Got runner D. Some more of the foot parts. And you get 2 of them. Runner E, some of the inner frame, you got the hands, the thrusters. Runner J, you got some of the, looks like the leg pieces, got the shields, got the belt. Nice flexible, and looks like nice blue colour parts also at the bottom here. And runner H, parts for the backpack as well as the weapons, and some more of the thruster pieces here. Right, and here we got the manual. Nice illustration of the figure on the front. On the back, it's got the rear and front view, as well as the colour chart if you did want to paint it. Kind of handy. Got some more illustrations on this side, as well as at the bottom. It's got the other kits that you can get from the series. Now, this page here, you got the runner list. And then you got your build guides. For a HG, from what I've said so far from this kit, quite nice colouring, perfect for a beginner. Now one thing I did notice with this, as usual with the HG, it does not come with any stand, so I did pick up the Action Base 1 for this. And you got the front view, which what you can see on the outside of the bag. Just flip it over, you got your build guide for the stand. Here we got the base, and only one bag with all the runners. Built this stand before, nice and easy, straightforward. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing. If you liked this video, leave me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and keep building. See you next time.